Days after deadly flash floods hammered Argentina, the country's government has authorized millions of dollars in aid for flood victims. President Cristina Fernandez said the relief effort will reach more than 150,000 people. She also said the government was discussing a $100 million loan with a regional development bank. On Wednesday, 400 millimeters of rain fell in just 2 hours around Buenos Aires, flooding low-lying areas. The flash floods killed 51 people and forced many others to evacuate. Residents, like those in this neighborhood, said they lost everything and have complained about a lack of government assistance. Officials are in the process of organizing much-needed supplies.